most respected chief guest, my friend, my mentor, founder of chains of green school across the world, who is representing India in the United Nations organization, special guest, सात पार्टी की बेटी, इंडिया की आवाज, पुष्पा मैम, my young, dynamic, visionary President Sir, Rajchandra Saha Sir, all the trustees, invited guests, dear parents, and learners of 21st century. I welcome you all in the 13th annual day of Sundaram Central School and Junior College. Friends, in this academic year, हमने बहुत कुछ खोया and पाया. So I am going to do the analysis of the academic year of 2017 and 18. Friends, like every institute is having objective, our objective is to make Sundaram Central School and Junior College one of the best schools of India. For that, this is a very big goal. Every year, we are upgrading ourselves. This year, we are focusing on three major objectives. First, to provide quality education. As we don't believe in quantum, whoever is coming and taking education in Sundaram Central School, they are going to lead India in 21st century. Therefore, it is our responsibility to provide them quality education, not only quantum education. And apart from this, we also focus on Indian values. Friends, even in Indian values, there may be some faults. I used to train our student. If there is a fault in Indian value, repair that. Upgrade those traditions which are wrong. So the education with Indian value is the first objective of our school. Second objective, neat, clean, safe, and encouraging school environment. Friend, visit any part of this Palghar city. As soon as you are coming inside the Sundaram Central School, you will be you will be having the feeling of aha experience. What a wonderful, neat and clean school. Friend, this is this is one objective. Friends, third major objective of this year was speedy, affordable educational services. As soon as any issue is being noticed by me, my teachers, my trustees, we have set one benchmark. Within 24 hours, we will be solving that issue. This was my third objective of this year. And for the academic, you can go upgrade yourself to taluka level, then from taluka level to district level, then state level, then in national level, then you can go at global level also, friend. But you have to identify your signature strength and develop expertise in that area only, then you will be able to develop your pahchan, friends. Now I will be doing the analysis of next topic is Annual Report 2017-18. Friends, this is our school data. Our school is divided into 3 sections. Pre-primary section that includes nursery to senior KG. Primary section that includes from class 1st to class 6. Secondary section from class 7 to class 12 friends. In pre-primary section, we have given admission to 140 boys and 92 girls. In pre-primary section, total strength is 232 students. In same way, in primary, there are 374 boys and 232 girls, and total strength is 606. In secondary section, there are 248 boys and 170 girls, and total strength is 418 friends. I said we are providing quality education. This is reflected in this data. The teacher-student ratio. In pre-primary section, there are 232 students and 12 teachers are there, and our ratio is 1 teacher per 19 students, and